Hi, if you want your hair to be fuller, although you want to keep your existing hair safe and growing, and maybe you even want to stimulate your own hair growth, but you want more hair presently right now, or more hair than you can stimulate and grow a little bit more. If you want more hair, please think about it the safe way, the easy way, through an invention called the microstrand, a translucent filament that upon contact of the skin or scalp, it disappears. Then we add one human hair at a time onto this. That becomes this. And again, notice how you see right through this. Logically, when this is blended between your own hair, it's going to disappear. You're going to have full 100% access to your scalp. So your scalp breathes and your hair can grow freely. And if you have your own hairdresser and you're concerned about leaving your own hairdresser can do this also. We offer training to your hairdresser, so your hairdresser can apply this, cut this, or of course, you can come to our hair studio. So please keep this in mind and look at this logically. If this is blended between your own hair, you're going to see and feel nothing, and you're going to be able to have full access to your scalp. It's going to be the most natural way humanly possible to make your hair fuller in a very comfortable way.